Hello everyone, this is Shabnam here. Welcome back to my channel, The Counseling Corner. In today's video, I am going to give you a few tips as how to make someone fall in love with you or get attracted towards you. So if you have the desire to make someone fall in love with you or get attracted towards you, then this video is for you. This video is also applicable for those couples who feel that the love and the spark has vanished in their life. So if you follow these tips consistently, the other person will not only love you, but will also respect you and will remain loyal to you throughout the life. So let's get started. The first tip is that you need to give him or her a lot of time and undivided attention when they are around you. You have to make them feel that they are very special to you and you have feelings for them. Look into the eyes when you're talking to him or her. Avoid looking into the mobile or talking to someone or paying attention or looking here and there when they are around you. When they realize that you have feelings for them, automatically they'll start developing feelings for you. Second point is that you should avoid being too possessive and clingy. You should give them some space. Everyone wants freedom. No one likes to be controlled. But if you start controlling them and dictating terms like with whom they should talk and whom they should not talk, they would get suffocated in the relationship and eventually they will move away. If you try keeping a track always what they are doing, they will develop the feelings that you don't trust them. So sometime try being away from them, give them some space, let them miss you. Third tip, you need to give respect for their views, desires, and most important, their family. It is very common, you must have heard a lot of people telling, no one cares about my feelings and desires. So if you care for them, if you value their views, if you give importance to their desires, as well as respect their family, then you will stand out of the crowd for them and they will start developing a strong feelings for you. They will start feeling that you are the right person for them. Fourth, avoid chasing them. No matter how much you love the person, stop chasing them. They will not value you. The more you chase them, the more they'll run away from you. They will start treating you as an option and they'll start looking out for other options because they know no matter what, you will always be there for them. So show them that you're interested in them, but not desperate for them. Fifth, smile and laugh as much as possible when they are around you. People tend to get attracted to people who are very cheerful and happy. But if you keep complaining and cribbing for every small thing, and if you keep having a long face, people tend to move away from you. Make them feel that you're very happy when they are around you. The sixth point is that try following the passion. Try doing things which they are interested in, having a common hobby or common interests. Usually we must have heard people telling opposites attract. But as per psychology, opposites don't attract. People with similar interests, like maybe they like a common sport, they like gardening, they get attracted because they can connect better. Seventh, follow the give and take policy. Here I'm not talking about the material things. Here I'm talking about the love, the care, the attention, the time they give you in spite of the busy schedule. So if they give you love and care, and if they give give importance to your desires, give time for you and make you feel good, maybe for example if they compliment you, give the same back to them. The eighth and most important point is that have patience and trust them. Don't be in a hurry. Don't force them to love you or to commit immediately. If they want some time and if they're not ready to commit immediately, it's okay. You can continue as good friends. Try to spend as much time as possible. Try to understand each other much better. See if your wavelength matches. Don't be in a hurry to say I love you, nor force them to say. Ninth, don't try to change the other person. It is not possible. You will only end up getting disappointed. It is much easier to change yourself. Try developing interest in their interests. This will enhance your bonding. 10th, try to be a good person. Try to have some moral values, try to be respectful and polite to others, be empathetic towards others' feelings, then they'll start feeling that you're the right person. For example, take movies. We always like the main character or the hero of the movie because he's portrayed as a good person, and we don't like the villain because he's portrayed as a negative person. 11th, be genuine. Love the person for who they are and what they are, not for their money and status. The 12th and the last point is that you need to be very consistent. There are cases where people give so much of attention to one person and suddenly they start avoiding them because they find someone much better and they start developing feelings for the other person. There are a lot of people who are very scared to get into a relationship because they're scared of heartbreaks. Either they must have had one or they must have seen their friends or someone having a heartbreak. So you have to be very true and loyal, right? You have to win the trust of the person. You have to make them feel that no matter what, you will always be there for them and that you are looking for a long-term or permanent relationship with them. So if you follow these 12 tips consistently, the person whom you are interested in will not only love you but will also respect you and will remain loyal to you throughout your life. So if this information is useful to you, please do share and subscribe to my channel, The Counseling Corner, and most importantly hit the bell icon so that you get timely notifications whenever I post my new video. See you next time.